Hi, I'm Dan from DECO. Today we're in northeast Tasmania to look at this stunning house. I'm with owner builder Matt. Matt, thanks for having us.
Thank you, nice to meet you.
Matt, tell us a little bit about your build.
We've been going at it for about 2.5 years, and it's been part-time because I teach by day, so it's been weekends, school holidays, but we're finally there and finally enjoying it, so it's great.
Looks wonderful, mate, as well. It's a great result. So Matt, you've used DecoBatten on the soffit, fence and screen. Can you tell me, why did you choose DecoBatten?
I love the batten look, and I really enjoy a maintenance-free product. Also, being close to the beach, we need a marine grade product, so it's just worked really well. I don't have to go back to it and touch it again.
So Matt, you're an ex-builder. Tell us about the DecoBatten install.
It was really simple. We just, being aluminium, cut it with a drop saw, screw your backing plate on, and then you clip your cover on basically with your hand, and then glue your little end caps on top.
Lovely. And now tell us about the screen behind us.
Same setup, exactly the same two-piece batten. However, we obviously had to have the house scaffolded, so it was a little bit higher to work from.
Beautiful, and the end result's great. Matt, should we go take a closer look?
Let's go.
So Matt, tell me, what have you used down here?
This is rammed earth. It's a pretty unique feature of the house. The texture seems to go really well with the timber look batten too.
Yeah, it looks great. So Matt, we're now with your lovely wife, Brogan. I take it, Brogan, you were in charge of the design stage?
100% she was.
When it came to the colour palette, absolutely. We wanted it to be very natural and neutral here. Obviously we're on the coast, so that was a big inspiration for this space, but rammed earth, the smoked ash battens complement that so well, and it was all about just natural, organic, aesthetics and lots of different textures.
Yeah, the DecoBatten on the soffit out in the veranda area really ties it all together.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It finishes it off nicely and makes it a little bit more unique, but it definitely pops in this space.
Matt and Brogan, thank you so much for having us and showing us your beautiful home. It was great to see your dream become a reality, and thanks for doing it with Deco.
Thank you. Yeah, we love it. Come together really well.